So here at Bluegrass Dentistry, we offer Invisalign treatment. Invisalign, most people know that by name. It's a series of clear aligners that slowly move your teeth. We do not offer the traditional metal braces here just because we don't really see the need to. Most people come in asking for Invisalign. They want those trays as opposed to metal braces. It's much more discreet and much easier to clean, much easier to function with in the aligners as opposed to the metal braces. So with Invisalign, all patients, when they come in and talk to me about it, I try to make sure they understand that, like most things in life, compliance is of the utmost importance. If you are in Invisalign trays, one of the beautiful things is that you can remove them and eat. You can move them and brush and floss. You remove them for a special event. But I always tell people that's it. You've got to be very committed to keeping them in 18 to 20 hours a day. Otherwise, there's not going to be enough consistent pressure on those teeth to move the teeth. And it will end up just making your treatment process a whole lot longer and probably a little bit more frustrating. So when I speak with Invisalign patients in consults, I always talk to them about the mechanics of Invisalign and how it's going to move their teeth. And one of the ways Invisalign does it is through composite engagers, or we call them buttons. We temporarily bond small bits of composite to the front of teeth to help the tray lock in, grab to the teeth tighter, and move them more effectively. They're completely invisible to the naked eye. Most people never see them, but they make the Invisalign a whole lot more effective. You know, Invisalign is a wonderful product. They're wonderful to work with. They have very sophisticated algorithms that help me, the dentist, move your teeth in a predictable, safe manner. And I think that's one of the things I always cringe if patients come in and start talking about Smile Direct Club and the other ones where you can mail in. Yes, I know finances are always in the back of people's mind, but it's one of those things that if you are moving teeth and number one, you don't have the safety restrictions that Invisalign offers in their algorithms, but also you don't have a dentist double checking things, you can move a teeth into a very dangerous position that are not stable and won't stay there long term, and you can actually end up losing teeth because of it. So I always encourage people, even if it's not with me, even if it's not Invisalign, please see a dentist or an orthodontist and just make sure you're taking care of things the way they should be. So if Invisalign, if you think that that is something that you're interested in, the best way to find out if you're a candidate and find out if it's something that you can go through is to call our office and make a consult. We can take scans and photos that very same day, and I can show you what your smile could look like in usually a matter of about 12 months. Call Bluegrass Dentistry today and see what we can do to help you get the smile you've always wanted.